So you can find it in WAEC, NECO, or JAMB. So let's see how we are going to solve this. So solution. So if you look at the question, you have log 1.5 to base 10 plus 3 log 2 to base 10 minus log 0.3 to base 10. So if you look at everything, they are in log 10. So before we do that, you must note the logarithmic laws you are going to apply here. So here you are going to apply multiplication and division. So you can recall, if you have log m n, which is multiplication, you are going to have log m plus log n. Then if you also have for the division, you have m over n. So we are going to have log m minus log n. So, and that is what we are going to apply here. So here we are going to have log of base 10 into, so we have 1.5 times, now that's multiplication, so we are going to multiply it. Then this 3 will be raised to the power of this 2. So we are going to have 2 to the power of 3. Then this, that will be division, so 0.3. So are you getting it? So now simplifying further, so we have 1.5 times 2 to the power of 3, that is 8 all over 0.3. Now let's multiply 1.5 times 8. 1.5 times 8. Now when you are multiplying a decimal with a whole number, so first ignore the what? The decimal point. So do the normal multiplication. So 8 times 5, that will give us 40. Then 1 times 8, 8 plus 4, that is 12. So now how do we determine your decimal place? So if you look at this, we only have one decimal place there. So we are going to place the decimal point after what? After the last digit. So for this one, we have log, so that's 12.0 all over 0.3. Now we are dividing decimal by decimal. So what do we need to do? So try to turn it into a whole number. So we have this moving there, moving here. So we are moving at the same time. So for this one, we are going to have 120 all over 3. So 120 over 3, that will give us 40. So our answer is going to be log 40 to base 10. So that is the answer. I hope you got this. Like, share, and follow for more. See you next time.